Hello, all you viewers out there. My name is Kyle Friedman. I'm in a cheerful mood today. Today, I'm going to teach you all how to draw Sparrowmon from Digimon Fusion. You see, Sparrowmon is one of the members of Team Midnight and is one of the henchmen for Axe Nightmon. And she's also Nene's partner. So, if I ever have a TV show, I'm gonna get her and become friends with a partner named Fennekin. She and Fennekin will become best pals. Okay, so ready to get started, folks? You ready? You sure? Okay, so let's get started. As you can see, I'm already drawing as we speak. I'm already drawing up the eye, and you see. Oh, sorry, my bad. Okay, so So you just draw her eye. You just draw her eye right here. Next thing you do, you just gotta draw her face. You just gotta draw up her face. And here's the lower half, and here's her smile. Here we go. And as we all know by now, Sparrowmon is accompanied by Monetamon. So you just draw her horn here. Actually, that's kind of like her antenna, if you ask me. Next thing, you just draw the body. But first, let me just leave this piece in. So you just draw this part here. That's her hand. Next thing you draw is her butt. Next thing you draw is this thing. Sorry, let me just put this down here. Okay, so okay, so here's her here's her glove. Sparrowmon wears gloves in the battle. You just draw her Zahara or something. Her special attack is lightning lasers. And you just draw this part here, this part. Okay, so just draw these parts down here. Hold on a sec, be back in a sec. Sorry about that. I just needed to find this eraser. That can help me solve my problems. Now you're all wondering what an eraser does. It helps you erase the problem of the drawing that you're doing. But my drawing doesn't have any problems now, does it? Right, Sparrowmon? Mwah! Okay, so next up. Know what they say, as long as you're around, I'm not scared of anything. That's what you said in the show. As we all know, Sparrowmon and Nene had some heartfelt moments. Time and time again. Then again, Sparrowmon will have that kind of power too. Well, I'll do that too. Sorry about that, folks. But, you know what I mean. Anyways, those are her claw on the wing panel. Next up is the cockpit wing right here. Okay, so just draw here and here. Her wing down here. Okay, so okay. Okay, so that's her other wing. Okay, I think I should draw her hands up here, like it says on the picture. Next up, you just draw the other claw right here and go up and back down again. Next, you draw this part. Wait, am I doing it wrong? Well, you know what Erwin Sikowitz always says? A true artist always believes in himself, or herself, or hisself, or itself. Did I say that right? I guess I did. Okay, so next up, you just draw her, this part of her body. There's the other wing. You just draw her wing down here, and her wing is, let me see. See, next up, you draw this part. As we saw, that was one of Sparrowmon's legs, like in the show. As you saw in Goldland, the irate pirate, that's what her legs look like. There's a long Okay, so the thing I'm drawing back here is Shoutmon times 5's head. As you may see, she keeps Sparrowmon times 5's head on her butt. Which is actually kind of funny, actually. If you actually seen that in the show. Anyways, that is kind of funny, right? Anyways, you just have to draw these lines on the bottom. That's where her legs are. Legs are. I don't know if this looks a little bit distorted or not, but I won't give up. Never will. Let me just make some adjustments here. And there. There we go. And that's how you draw a Sparrowmon. At least I think. I don't know. But, anyways, Fennekin and Sparrowmon are gonna be best friends forever. And they always will be. I'm gonna draw her next in the next video.